Very good.
My lord,
When did you join?
immediately after the single bench passed the order, release order issued, second release order issued, and I joined.
7th of January 2016, 26. 17th of January.
Yes.
Council has the power to issue an order of transfer. My lord, council is an elected body. I have twofold challenge to the transfer order, my lord. First, my lord, in West Bengal, my lord, there is no existence of district primary school council. My lord, the term
Yes.
only a limited scope. My lord, on the last occasion I submitted that, my lord, I was an headmaster in A school. My lord, now I was transferred to B school. I joined at B school. Now, my lord, A school is vacant. Now, my lord, after that, my lord, on January 30, that I have annexed in my supplementary affidavit on the last occasion, that the Murshidabad District Primary School Council has issued a notification for appointment of headmaster. My lord, that my A school will be filled up. Only limited prayer that school may be kept vacant and your lordship may hear it, my lord, thereafter.
And
And
a limited prayer.
my lord, after filing, my lord, I have filed a supplementary affidavit because I was not a participant. It was not within my knowledge. I came to know about this, my lord, later on. In my supplementary affidavit, my lord, page 10. And my list of my school is at page 12.
So, Mr. Jan, he can appear afresh for consideration.
He's
Of
already
your notice.
he's already a headmaster. He's already a headmaster.
So,
And
he can
this-
choose a vacancy. For in the notification, is there
But-
any says that
On
only
new headmaster.
It's for the new headmaster. The assistant teachers they are to be.
I-
But if ultimately he succeeds in his appeal, he may come back to this institution. What is wrong?
No, that post will be filled up.
Yes.
Right, third party right will accrue.
No.
Yes.
But they kindly have it. They are there. They would be selected or appointed as a head teacher by the council. They are the teacher of us. These are the posting. This is not by the school authority. This appointment is not by the school authority. So we can transfer anybody. That power is with us.
Unnecessary
You-
third party right will accrue. He will
How are you prejudiced?
Yes.
The matter is pending. If ultimately he succeeds, we have to accommodate.
Not a question of matter pending.
then you have to shift the person or
Yes.
he is not a party to this proceeding.
He may not have any right over that. He's a headmaster. We have every right to place him against any post, any vacancy.
Once in a
It's a transferable job.
a person is appointed in a school.
Unlike secondary schools, it's a transferable post.
a party.
He's yet to be selected.
The vacancy is there, my lord, at page 30.
So for you, the school will not get headmaster.
Well, my twofold challenge is first, there is no district primary school council because my lord, council is an elected body. My lord, tenure of the council is long over. There is from for the last 10 years, my lord, there has been no election. There is no council. In the absence of a council, my lord, there cannot be any order of transfer. Our division bench has decided this. My lord, I have the order. And my lord, the act also says the council may transfer. Here, my lord, in the transfer order, it has been noted that the council has taken a decision. I put this question to myself specifically. My case before the single bench was also that there is no council. They in their report, my lord,
No,
has,
in your writ petition, there was no pleading.
I have stated that also I will place, my lord. My lord, in their report before the single bench, that specific point has not been dealt whether there is a council or not. Firstly, my lord, if there is no council, then my lord, this order goes. They have to answer that first. Second, my lord, your lordship has noted that there has been certain serious allegations against me. Allegations. Based on those allegations, I have been transferred. Based on those allegations, not my lord, independent. So once I have been transferred based on the allegations, my lord, it becomes a punitive transfer, my lord. My lord, there is no disciplinary proceedings. Unless and until there is a disciplinary proceedings as a punitive measure, my lord, I cannot be transferred based on those allegations. These are my twofold. But my lord, if I succeed in my first point, that there is no council, existence of council, so my lord, my second point will not be gone into. My lord, whether I have taken that point, kindly come to paragraph 9 of my writ petition at page 20. Page 21 of the stay application. Paragraph 9, my lord, may I?
Absolutely, without jurisdiction.
My lord,
Only
without
this one.
jurisdiction and is partially ordered is further say the chairman district has no power to issue such transfer order.
No, not that. The plea that the election has not been held for certain period of time.
And that
hence-
point I have not taken.
Yes.
That point I have not taken.
Yes. The learned single judge has taken this point. You have
My lord,
to.
may I put this question to myself most humbly, my lord? My lord, if statute says there has to be a council, without there being an existence, these are statutory principles, my lord. If a body is not there, my lord, I have taken that the chairman has no power. Chairman has no power because their council has the power, and if there is no council existing, only one point, whether there is a council. And
But no one permitted to argue beyond pleading. It is also well settled principle.
my lord, it is also, but
It is judicially recognized principle.
my lord, it is
Not a statutory
No,
principle.
no, my lord, it is a judicially recognized principle.
Principle.
But I have taken now, my lord, whether chairman has the power to issue the order of, I have taken the chairman has no jurisdiction.
Yes.
My lord, they have to satisfy
So
the
the
chairman.
chairman has exceeded his jurisdiction.
Yes.
It is the only ground available to you.
Yes.
That was
They have
taken.
to satisfy that chairman has the jurisdiction to issue the order of transfer. Let them satisfy that chairman cannot unilaterally do that.
Acha, show the finding of the judge on that issue.
My lord, the only thing, my lord, that I have not taken this point.
No,
I
no,
am-
not about that. This
Chairman.
chairman issue discussed in paragraph 9.
Yes.
Same has been signed by the chairman as well as secretary of the DPS.
Please. This is how, my lord, only it has been read at page 43, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, paragraph 7 I am reading. Having heard the learned advocate for the respective parties, the only issue which falls for consideration whether the impugned order passed by the chairman, district primary school council is sustainable in the eye of law. Well, I am skipping paragraph 8. My lord, paragraph 9. At the first instance, upon going through the aforesaid order, it is found that the same has been signed by the chairman as well as the secretary, district primary school council. Murshidabad. The order records that several allegations have been received by the council from the different corners against the headmaster, the petitioner hearing. It is also noted that the council cannot sit tight over the matter. Here I'm going to pause here for a moment. I say the chairman has no jurisdiction. This has not been dealt with by the learned civil judgment. Thereafter, my lord, paragraph 10. In Deepak Uswansu, my lord, the challenge was on the ground that the chairman of the concerned council has no authority and jurisdiction to issue the order of transfer. After going through the order, which was impugned in the said appeal, it is found that there is no mention of council in the said order of transfer, which is patently different and distinguishable from the present. As such, the ratio of the aforesaid decision does not apply to the facts and circumstances of the case. So far as the issue regarding existence of
Very good. Now come to the transfer order.
yes,
Transfer order paragraph 8 has been quoted.
yes,
The entire order needs to be read as a whole. Second paragraph of the transfer order says, in view of such things, council cannot sit over the matter.
yes. I
As
say,
such,
my-
the council's participation towards issuance cannot be done away with.
absolutely, my lord. I would have got no case if there was a council. I say, my lord, this is a wrong.
That point, Mr. Dasgupta, council is not there, lack of pleadings. Now, if that is not satisfied, we have to simpliciter see the order of whether it is a simpliciter order taken by the chairman in his
Chairman order.
individual
That
capacity.
Without
say, my
involving
lord,
the council
that
Uh,
the
in
best of
decision making
respect,
process.
without there being a council, my lord, our division bench has stated
Mr. Dasgupta, we cannot allow you to go beyond the pleadings. Now, the court, we are in judicial review.
no, my lord.
We are in review. Court has
out of-
given reasons.
My lord, I have taken a point, my lord, that chairman has no jurisdiction. Now, my lord, the law says
That issue will come once. That issue will be fortified if you have to establish that there is no council.
yes, my lord. Even if my
Then
lord,
the order is a nullity.
yes, then order is a nullity.
But there is no pleading as regards the existence of council.
My lord, let us, I will not take the point, my lord, that there is no council, but I have taken the point that the chairman has no jurisdiction
In his individual
in
capacity.
his individual.
Satisfy that it is in
My lord,
individual
kindly
capacity.
see the rules.
No, satisfy from the order that it is in exercise of individual jurisdiction.
My lord,
Chairman got the allegation, chairman sent you to another state.
It is an unilateral
Independent.
act of the chairman,
Lordship's query,
whether on
The
perusal of
transfer
the
order has been signed by the chairman. In the transfer order, it is stated that
Where
the
is
council.
the transfer order? Which page?
Yes,
Page
page
37.
37.
Page 37.
37.
Okay, secretary.
No, the council cannot sit tight over the matter.
I say, my lord, it has been noted that the council cannot sit tight over the matter.
Yeah.
Right? I say in my pleading, I have taken the chairman has no jurisdiction. Now, my lord, the DPSC has to satisfy that the council has decided in its meeting and given the power to chairman to issue the order of transfer. Then the jurisdiction of the chairman comes, my lord.
Yes.
And-
Now why?
Having no jurisdiction and exceeded jurisdiction, they are
My lord, I have taken
Different.
this point. Exceeded
different.
jurisdiction and-
Exceeded, he has jurisdiction to do something, and he has overreached the
override,
exceeded.
overreach.
He has done something going beyond the area
Yes.
limited to him.
Both these points I have taken. And another point, my lord, you have seen the order of transfer, my lords. It is an allegation based on which
Unity.
I have been transferred, my lord. There is
Mr. Dasgupta, kindly appreciate. Let us not go into the niceties of law. Suppose there is a disturbance in a school in which the students are primary kids. You have seen those also allegation that sometimes eggs are given in midday meal. Next day, eggs are taken away.
taken away.
So, in fact, these children are the victims of the illegal.
My lord.
You can certainly argue that,
My
see,
lord, your
when
lordship
you are
is-
making an allegation, I must get an opportunity to
My
reply.
lord, your lordship is absolutely correct. But the problem, my lord, I tell your lordship, the councils are using this as a, my lord, they are a tool, giving the children that something is happening, we will transfer. My lord, I say that this is a vindictive transfer because I am the one, I have documents to show, first raised the issue before the authorities that there is problem regarding midday meal. If proper midday meal accounts are not maintained, I am the one who raised this. Thereafter, the BDO and everybody was against me. This is the original situation. Thereafter, all this happened, my lord.
All right. Yes, Mr. Jahan, what do you have to say to the arguments raised by Mr. Dasgupta?
Page 30.
Just one thing. Supplementary, you brought what material?
My lord, two materials, they are report filed before the single bench, and my lord, that 30th January, the appointment of headmaster, which is going.
Oh, that and the other document?
My lord, report filed by the council before the single bench.
The opposition used by us before the
Opposition used by them.
Oh, where is that you have annexed?
My lord, first,
Two documents you have given. One is
Yes.
the notification of 30th January.
my lord, page, if your lordship kindly come, page 4.
Page 4.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, they report they file. All right, we will hear him and there. Yes. What is your contention?
My contention is that
Where is your opposition?
my opposition at page 4 of the supplementary affidavit.
এখানে opposition.
No.
That is why, my lord, I used.
But page 37 clearly shows that this is a decision of council. This is not the unilateral decision of chairman, as it appears from the order of transfer itself.
No, just one question. Suppose today it is a disputed question of fact that midday meal was affected by whom? A disputed question. Second is some villagers are creating problem. Then you are writing student interest. Natural fallout will be that the students are being affected. But Mr. Jahan, if you give an order saying raising an allegation, doesn't it appear that you have picked because the person is working there for more than 10 years? Never there was any complaint against.
For 15 years.
Very good, 15 years.
But if your lordship permits me to hand over some documents to your lordship, those are
No,
not.
we will be prejudiced. We will be.
But the complaint is not from an individual. The complaint was from the district magistrate itself, the block development officer.
That is, you have annexed.
No, this was
All
not
those
part of the
documents.
record.
Kindly have a look, page 37.
My lord, in their
Page
objection
7 of
also,
the
it was not annexed.
Page 37, that is the transfer order.
Yes.
Reference, my lord, kindly have a look, reference. District Magistrate Office memo dated 11th of February 2025, the first one. Second is the BDO dated 30th of June. SIS of the circle dated 18th of April 2022. Now, Sub-Inspector of Schools 2022 sought for permission from this council to initiate disciplinary proceeding against this particular writ petitioner for, my lord, exonerating the students. The attendance of students is low, but my lord, disbursement of midday meal is high. Considering all these aspects, my lord, council decided to give him a chance not to take any disciplinary proceedings since he is a teacher of 15 years, headmaster Moshai. So let him just transfer elsewhere. That was the attitude shown by this council. And that's coming back to us now, my lord. If your lordships, I can hand over all those documents to your lordship.
You have pointed out that orders were taken into consideration.
Yes.
We don't know what are the orders. Very good. So what is your answer to the council's involvement in the transfer order? You have said, but the council itself is not existing.
That was never pleaded. That was never argued.
Kindly come to paragraph 9.
Paragraph 9, it says, my lord, the chairman has no power. Let him show a single sentence that there is no existence of council. I have taken that plea before the court, before the single bench, that whatever he is submitting before the court, that is beyond the pleading. There must have a pleading. And in one hand, my lord, who is raising this issue? Who is taking benefit of the existence of council till now? His transfer, his appointment, his salary, everything based on the decision of council.
That is when the council
Till now,
existed.
till now, you are getting salary by the dint of council. And you are raising existence of the council. And
That is fund of the state, Mr. Jahan.
yes, yes.
It
But
is
unless
the
the
process of release of salary.
in absence of council, tomorrow, all but functioning of all these schools should be stopped.
No, my lord, there is an order of this, our High Court, my lord, emergency
And my lord,
decisions
specific
like
in
the
this
appointment-
present case, he didn't raise this issue before the ballot in the writ petition.
My lord, the only point, only one instruction that there is a council.
Why should I?
এইরকম কথা একটা আমরা হুগলিটাকে স্টেট দিয়ে রেখেছি। সেইটা হুগলি district।
My lord, let them come with only one that there is a council, I will be out of this court. There is a council.
No, what was not his argument before the court, he wants to satisfy the same now.
And if there is no council, chairman cannot.
Yes, anything else?
No, my lord.
No, what is in your reply you wanted to show? In your reply before the writ court?
Before the writ court.
Which Mr. Dasgupta has brought on record.
Yes, yes. Kindly take page 4. Page 5 of the supplementary affidavit, my lord. We have narrated the facts which compel this council to pass that order.
Situation was very critical when local people dangerously waiting, agitating every day against against him.
Mr. Boisho, you are instrumental towards these problems. Council elected for 5 years, you don't
Yeah.
know. State is sleeping. You see, your principal secretary is very sound. He knows that let it happen, let the High Court decide it. Unfortunate. We have granted a stay in respect of Hooghly District Primary Council. An observation was made by the lock, stock, barrel, your council is not there. Go out of this. And it was told to us that, my lord, now if this happens, thousands of teachers will be, their salary will be stopped, this will be done, that will be done. See, your government is sitting there. Oh, let litigations continue. You are the state. If this election has not been held, what is the problem, Mr. Boisho, that there is no monetary credibility of the government to conduct an election? This nature of the state, he is a model employer. He has to ascertain that in every nook and corner of the state, there is no creation of any incident that may give rise to a commotion. Midday meal, someday you are giving eggs, someday you are giving only what?
If any court declares that the such and such council is not existent, and then what will happen? What will be the future consequence?
Here also one division bench cell also council has the power. Chairman has the power to transfer the matter.
We are not on that.
We are not on that.
Understood, Lordship, we are the power.
If we question you, you will not be able to satisfy that why election was not conducted within 5 years. So the persons maybe who are favorable to your decisions, you are wanting to keep them, don't hold election, you continue in the helm of affairs. This is unbecoming of state.
Every day you are taking council, you are taking decision regarding the education of child of the state. And the person associated with that education getting salaries and various related activities are being done by the council. If today it is held that council is not existent due to such and such reason, then what will happen?
হবে না, তখন আবার আসবে মামলা। The present appeal has been preferred, challenging an order dated 15 January Yes, ma'am. Recall the 10th March meeting. Yes. Item number, that is item number
9, my lord. Item number 9.
The orderটা রিকল করে 10 তারিখ লিখতে switch for default. 10th March. Yes, next.
On 10th, it will appear, my lord.
10th.
It will appear on 10th, my lord.
Yes.
10th, you have another matter also.
But I
Your junior took your name. And Mr. Agarwal is also there.
In this matter, my lord, I do not know any other matter. I will not recollect. My memory is short.
Yes, তাই তো বলেছিল. You said no. Yes, next.
My lord, next matter, my lord, very unfortunate situation, my lord. The
That is why you are here.
appellants, my lord, have already, my lord, preferred another writ petition, did not inform us. We moved another writ petition. This was dismissed, and now I am before your lordship. Appellant number 1, 2, and 3. It appears Mr. Singh has
Say, what do
pointed
you
out.
want to do then?
But the appellant number, I have to take instruction from the appellant
No,
number
no,
4.
withdraw it. Submission of material.
Yes, they have not. Well, it's very difficult in this. My lordship remembers that in primary matters also they have did this thing.
On the prayer of
Kindly strike out the name. Let them. I'll take instruction from the appellant number 4.
But how can we strike out? You have accepted Wakalatnama. Your junior will be in problem.
Then dismiss in respect of appellant numbers 1, 2, and 3. They should have informed. 1, 2, and 3. They have preferred a writ petition prior to the filing of this writ petition with some other learned advocate.
Yeah, fate was same.
No, that is pending. He has informed. The first writ petition is pending. Second writ petition filed, moved, dismissed before your lordship.
You kindly seize, my lord, these papers.
So what is that? We will treat it to have been dismissed so far as 1, 2, and 3 is concerned.
Yes.
Now let us see whether it's there.
Merits, my lord. The writ petition has
Or
been dismissed.
tell us, Mr. Laidi, will it be, if you say that it will be embarrassing on your part, we will
No,
pass.
it has to. They have to go.
Now, so far as then anything remains for the petitioner number.
Petition number 3, my lord. Only
4.
The appellant number 4 before lordship. Writ petition number 4. Only point is that as to whether a recognized school should be construed to be a school in respect of which, if we render a service, we will be getting 10 marks for prior teaching experience or not. Our
Come to the order in.
writ petition has been dismissed, saying that we are fence sitters. The appellants were fence sitters.
But this page 1 for
Paragraph 11, 12. Yes, my lord.
11th of February order.
Yes. 11th of February order.
But there is only one writ petitioner,
Yes, one writ petition.
Abdul Rashid.
Abdul Rashid is the next writ petition. I have annexed another order passed by the same honorable judge to demonstrate that the standards of, my lord, estoppels are being applied, my lord, not on the basis of, my lord, the facts. Kindly takes up the order which is impugned before your lordship. It is 11 February 26. Well, that is at page
11 February 20.
144. Lordship
What is page 148 of the stay application?
Yes, 148 of the stay application is another order passed on the same day where this writ petition has been entertained, in spite of the fact that this writ petitioner also had participated in the process and has come up at the later stage saying that my application was incorrect. My writ petition has been dismissed saying that I am a fence sitter. If that be so, the same standards should be applicable in respect of all petitions. That is why I have annexed this. Well, the order impugned before lordship is 11 February 2026. That's
Just 2 minutes.
yes, page 144. 140.
140 include. Or 147 to
So why didn't you upload?
Well,
Why did not you upload your prior teaching experience?
we could not because there was no option given. Because the recognized school
So did you make one representation to them? There is no code.
representation, my lord, we had made.
No. You did nothing. You participated, then written test held, then examination result declared, then you came to court.
Okay.
He was called for the written test. You must have
Stage
been
report.
called for written examination.
Action.
Yes, specific finding of the court that you did not raise any objection when you could not upload your prior experience. You participated in the written test. It was.
ও যে স্কুল থেকে ইয়ে করেছে সেই কাউকে দেয়নি, একজনকে এরোনিয়াসলি ওয়াজ গিভেন।
I have made representations.
Which is the school?
Shishu Bikash Academy, that is a recognized school, kindly comes to page
Bikash.
yes,
So
page
show us
41.
Show us first that clause of prior experience.
But it appears that page 41, it's a recognized school. And my lord, provisional recognitions have been given by the district inspector of schools. Page 41, kindly sees.
Mr. Lairi, they have deducted marks from persons who had awarded marks.
Yes, they have done so. They have done so. They have rectified themselves. But point is that as to whether this school, page 41 is the status of the school, should have been considered to be a school where a prior teaching marks should have been given. Kindly see page 41.
You come at the time, no? We could have considered that certainly, but that was not in the appropriate time. How can we help you? Tell us. Keeping the appeal pending will serve no purpose. You test our order before this.
No, that is not, my lord, the pursuit. But my contention is that, my lord.
No, why you are feeling embarrassed?
No,
Suppose we
that
pass
is
an order.
no. Everyone cannot, my lord. Everyone cannot. It is, my lord. In this, my lord, we have learned.
It is a life and death issue.
My lord, everyone is not having the means on access. It ends here.
Oh, achha.
In some of the matters. I'm not saying other matters, but in some of the matters, it ends here. This is one of such matters. Kindly see page 41. This is the status of the school.
Managed by Society for Islamic Education. Is a minority educational institute.
And now kindly see the recognitions granted by the DI.
Show us that clause of prior.
Yes.
From the advertisement. Page 80.
Yes.
The second.
B, at secondary level in a government or government aided. School definition. At secondary level in a government or government aided or government sponsored school.
Show us that. This is a declaration of your minority status.
Yes. Now kindly see.
Show us the recognition memo of the institution.
Page 16.
The higher কোথায় গেল কোথায় কোনটা
82B.
82
82.
Page 16. Recognition memo. 12.
Now, where unaided recognized school where it has been given. Non-government, so your school, status of your school is non-government, recognized unaided school.
Yes, according to the NCT Act.
According to, so where this line has been given, recorded that the teacher having gained experience in such school should be awarded marks for
School.
teaching experience.
School includes that. According, kindly comes to page 16.
Yes,
Page 16. 1/6.
yes.
This is the recognition of granting higher secondary. Oh, that is 35. 35. Page 35. Sorry. Page 35.
Okay.
Lordship is there. Page 35. This is the recognition.
Provisional recognition.
Yes, professional recognition. This is
For the
for
higher
higher secondary. And prior to that, there is 9-10 recognition. And prior to that also, there is junior recognition.
But your recognition
Oh,
as a school,
Higher secondary.
Recognition is another. There are various schools recognized but unaided. No grant is given from the government. Recognized. Recognized means the student who will get education from that would be able to appear in board and council examination.
Yes, but the Act, NCT Act includes school definition is recognized school. Can you see the Act?
Here, prior teaching experience.
School means, can you
Who
see?
would be awarded marks for prior teaching experience?
School is there.
Hmm?
School. Kindly see the definition of the school from the Act. This is another copy.
Government or government aided or government sponsored school.
But kindly, my lord, excuses me
So
for
are there
asking.
three types of schools: government, solely controlled by the government, run by the government; government aided, where government does not control but granted;
Yes,
and
that's
government sponsored, where government sponsors schools.
school.
Three types of schools.
Yes, that is my lord in the Act itself. Lordship is seeing the definition of the Act. Definition AA. School means any recognized school imparting pre-primary, primary, upper primary, secondary or senior secondary education, or college imparting senior secondary, and includes
government or local authority.
Schools receiving aid.
or 3, a school not receiving any aid or grants to meet.
Teacher rules of government.
No.
School means school.
No, recognize.
Recognized
আপনি ওর স্কুলটা দেখুন কিন্তু unaided.
Yes, 3, it is included.
And from you would get your teacher, you would
AA.
get salary.
KA 3. My lord, yes,
Where from you would used to get salary.
from the managing committee.
No, very good. So there were other teachers in that school.
Yes,
So they were getting salary by whom?
managing committee, same.
Oh no, state fund was no. If it is managing committee, you are out. If it is from state fund, then question comes: aided or unaided?
But my lord, yes, I understand. If it is state, then only I come. Otherwise, but the
That are-
definition of school.
That are the NCT regulation. Supreme Court said this.
But this is
On that
Act.
second necessity in terms of this
Oh.
criteria.
This is the Act which
That,
includes school.
that point we cannot gone into now at the belated stage.
Yes,
whether
that is the
they
that is
could
the
have included recognized unaided school in that clause. That time is over.
my lord, that is what
That is not your case also.
my lordship is at page 80. Lordship is at page 80, my lord. The rules.
Page 80, yes.
Yes. At secondary level in a government or government aided or government sponsored school,
Yes.
this, my lord, would be including the definition of school in the NCT Act. That is my contention. And in the definition of NCT Act, unaided schools are also there. A school not receiving any aid or grant to meet whole or part of its expenses from central government, the state government, or a local authority. That is also a school.
এখন যায় না।
So the Act says,
সেটা রুট কথাটা যদি সঠিক হয় এটা এখন যায় না।
So the act says schools
So
are all.
this clause, Lahiri, this clause is violation of the definition of school
That is
given in KA. of
that is
this
what I'm
act.
trying to substantiate.
This
That is
case-
the
case
is contrary
cannot
to the
stand.
definition of the act.
Okay, okay. We go into that issue.
Uh,
You have a ground. How can we go into that issue?
Yes, that is why I have also annexed one of that is what I was trying to say. This petition at least required calling of report. Would not have calling of report from the other side so that they can substantiate. But other matters,
School, according to you, unaided school is not included.
So private unaided recognized school.
Private,
Private unaided recognized school.
this one. What document do you have?
Page 41.
Page 41. Minority institute.
Run by a society.
Yes. Is a minority institute. The Minority Educational Institute.
Managed by the Society for Islamic Education West Bengal.
Article 30.
এরা নিজেরা মাইনে।
Within the meaning of national minority, consequently, it is hereby declared that aforesaid school, the minority educational institution covered under Article 30.
হ্যাঁ,
No, minority.
it is 2G Minority Act governed by Article 30. হ্যাঁ।
minority act
And this mirrored here,
লাগানো আছে minority act
ওই রুলটা মেনে নিতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, ওই রুলটা মেনে নিতে হবে, মানে ওরা যে অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট রুলটা করেছে।
Appointment.
And regarding others,
if schools are outside the purview of the original act,
Which act?
97 Act. Your Lordship knows better than me, Lord. They are outside these.
yes, 15(3).
It is outside the purview.
So,
Yes.
no, we are asking you this question. It is
So, Mala, whatever just fell from your Lordship, Milord, if I have correctly understood, Milord, I may be incorrect. At page 80, whatever is recorded, Milord, the word unaided school is not there. Now, Milord, I could have understood that someone is studying or Milord, working in an unaided school and he comes to court on seeing the rule and on seeing the application form at that stage.
so we are asking for not on the merits of the matter.
Yes.
We are are you giving prior permission marks for teachers of unaided institutions?
Milord, those issues are pending. One teacher from no,
Unaided.
very famous Milord, the school Milord, St. Lawrence. St. Lawrence had come. Milord, even he was not considered.
Under the 69 rules.
Yes, under the 69 rules, management.
Under the 69 management rules, unaided schools, teachers are getting drawing salary from state fund. State disburse requisition sent to DI, DI sends it to state, then to the account of the school for disbursement.
Unaided.
Unaided. Unaided. This
Well,
point
I am
is
not poised with that fact.
देखिए headmaster manual to the
But your Lordship is correct. Well,
no, I
am
not be wrong also. That doesn't. We are in the same.
Milord, what I remember is, Milord, in Rule 28, both in aided and unaided was recorded. In the original Rule 28, which has now, Milord, substituted by 2018 Act,
Committee, হ্যাঁ,
2018 rules.
69 rule.
Original 69 rules ওইখানেই আছে আমি বার করে দিচ্ছি।
ওই বইটা
হ্যাঁ, aided, unaided. There is
Milord, in Rule 28,
regarding management of the school. Yes, management rules.
my lordকে এই পাতাটা দিয়ে দিন ভাই দাদা
89 rules টা কোথায়?
এই 59,
এই
97
69
Act. ওটা নিয়ে
page
আসলে ওখানে হয়।
75 page 75 my lordকে দিই Plus 2, ওটা volume 2 না volume 1 দুটো volume আছে ধরে গেল
page 70
কি জানি 69 69 এখানে amended আছে এখানে ওই অরিজিনালটা নেই amended অর্থাৎ Justice Chatterjee, Milord, kindly seize, Milord, from this book.
Yes,
Page 75.
yes, 28 unaided and aided. Both the word was issued.
Milord, there, previously it used to be the managing committee which used to appoint. Now it is the board. মিস্টার ভট্টাচার্যিস ক্লায়েন্ট, ওনার ক্লায়েন্ট রেকমেন্ডেশন আমাদের অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট লেটার বোর্ড, তাই তো?
মানে এইটার ডেফিনেশনটা করছে এই স্যাংশন পোস্ট স্পন্সরশিপ সাপোর্ট
এটা কনসার্ট ইনস্টিটিউশনে দিয়ে মানে ডেফিনেশনে আসছে
established by with or without aid or cooperation purpose. Is it into Rule 28 guided?
guided, yes, guided. Management guided, aided and unaided 320, aided and unaided.
হাইকোর্টের টিচার আছে এই জন্য আনএডেটেড টিচাররা
School, West Bengal School Service Commission Act 1997 is not applicable for a school not receipt of any financial assistance from the state government.
কোনটা বলছে
School service.
স্কুল সার্ভিস
So they are acting under School Service Commission Act. Lahiri, you could not
just
take note of it.
a minute, I'm taking.
and in Rule 28 Mr. Vadayaji I didn't find aided and unaided.
No, just give me 1 minute.
28 এ aided unaided দুটোই আছে
97 Act, 73, 97.
রুলস তো দেখতে হবে, রুলস এখানে আছে এখানে।
aided and unaided
Kindly see,
সেই জন্য কনস্টিটিউশন অফ ম্যানেজিং কমিটি যেটা সাবস্টিটিউট করলো বোর্ড এসে
kindly see, Rule 28(8) or 28
Types of school. One was
management rule.
aided, delegating and aided.
There is kindly, now that this question is coming,
my simple question is you are not recognizing the school. Why you are not recognizing? Because it is not government aided or sponsored institution. But Mr. Bhattacharya, in unaided recognized schools, teachers get salary from the school.
that again, I am answering your lordship.
Mr. Bhattacharya is not restricted.
আমাদের হেডমাস্টার্স ম্যানুয়ালটা কোথায়?
Aid is not restricted only for the purpose of
এই যে হেডমাস্টার, না না এটা একই জিনিস, একই জিনিস।
salary. It is also for.
May I get that book once? I'll just give you a lot.
এইসব আমরা পড়ি।
Now, why?
Please see.
So, Mr. Lahiri, this school is not West Bengal
Rule 28.
Central School Service Commission Act is not applicable to this school.
In the old book prior to 2018 amendment. Sorry.
Mr. Lahiri, West Bengal School Service Commission Act is not applicable to this school. So the recommendation of the School Service Commission is not binding upon this school and even not applicable to this school. So the teacher gathering experience from this school is also not binding upon the commission. Okay, now you will come that commission is bound to follow the NCT Act.
Just
Okay, it is there, it would be there.
just
Read.
school established, that's act not to apply in relation to certain school, the provisions of this act shall not apply to school established and administered by a mandate with a base of religion or language under any trust established and administered by a mandate. তাহলে mandate কিন্তু আলাদা স্ট্যাটাস আছে। School not in receipt of financial assistance.
বলছি
Financial assistance from international school.
Minority institutions not
নিজেরাই অ্যাপয়েন্ট করে
নিজেরাই অ্যাপয়েন্ট করে, but there is a judgment. eligibility of the consideration সেখানে minority বেসিসে তুমি নিজের ওই রিগার্ডস থেকে এক্সক্লুড করতে পারো, মানে তোমার মনে ইন্টারনেট মুসলিম মেয়েকে হিন্দু আর চান্স পাবে।
For just our academic reasons. Kindly see section 15 of the Commission Act.
Yes, 15, I have shown.
Now, so therefore that is one.
That is, my lord, government.
What exactly fell from my lord Justice Chakraborty, my lord? Perhaps, my lord, I do not know, my lord, what is passing through your lordship's mind. This unaided school teachers get salary through the DI. You know, this provision, you know, I have never come across. You know, I may be incorrect.
In that case, my lord, the government school is also not there. Kindly see section 15E.
Yes, Hindu schools.
Government
Hindu,
schools are also not there.
Yes,
If a government school teacher comes to a commission, then she will also not get.
And that Mr. Bhattacharya, what you are pointing out, that is pertaining
Government school is also not.
recommendation through the commission.
yes, yes.
So,
True,
Commission's
For the
Act,
first of
this school does not count within Commission Act. Why? Because it is a minor.
Minorities.
But that does not seal his fate. You are saying Supreme Court has said you are untainted. You participate and they will give you for marks for prior permission. In prior permission advertisement, you say prior.
Here it is not a such a case.
we are fresh candidates. Not
Here it is not such a case.
we are
Here
fresh,
is a continuing one.
not a continue. But the entire recruitment was for us, not for
That
the
is that issue could have been examined had you
Challenge that.
challenged that
At that stage.
at that stage.
in the writ petition challenge.
No, in November.
Challenge.
There's
Belated, but
created
challenge.
delay.
But my lord, 4 months delay is a delay, my lord. 226, my lord, previous round of litigation, my lord, 5 years after the litigation.
Unsettled interest.
This is a fate account.
Then, my lord, the other matter kindly sees what I have annexed, my lord. There, my lord, the standard is different. Page 144, my lord, the order.
Commission has directed to be filed.
Report. Then that has been entertained.
So that is a different context.
Kindly sees.
So it is not the same context. Let him show.
Honorable judge was also of the, my lord, same day, same orders are being passed. Kindly sees paragraph 4, it has been recorded. It appears that this bench has dismissed matter of a candidate seeking rectification of figure of academic field mentioned in the application form. This is my matter that the Honorable Court is referring to. Learned advocate for the commission has raised objection with the maintainability at such belated step. Here, my lord, the petitioner wanted to rectify, my lord, his my lord, application form. That also at a belated state. The same standard should be applicable.
No, that is you are short of one cutoff. That is
We are also, if these marks are given to us, we are above.
your assumption.
No, my lord, that will be appearing from the records.
At this stage, it could
It's
be-
only one point, yes, belated stage, but Lordship may kindly keeps these questions open. Lordship may kindly keeps these questions open so that, my lord, in an appropriate proceedings, this can be gone in.
No,
At least there is some kind of, my lord,
So how that will help you? After dismissal,
other petitioners, they will not be able to show this order.
petition.
There might be many petitions filed.
But he is not espousing everyone's cause, I believe.
the appeal in respect of 1, 2, and 3 are dismissed since they are agitating this issue by filing a separate writ petition.
It petition.
Dismissed. Even appeal so far 4 is concerned, we are proceeding.
Yeah, I've given your lordship the document.
Okay.
Kindly see the document. The first document
Court, only one,
this document I have handed over.
only 1% has not been.
Acha, ye court at the very outset, very humiliating. Mr. Bhatt